Hey guys, welcome to the Blackbeard Vapor YouTube channel. My name is Ben Chapman and I will be your host. About 5 years ago, my father and I decided to open up this store in order to get the Savannah area off of cigarettes and tobacco. And now we have this YouTube channel for all of our customers and everyone else in the world who wants to learn more about vaping and their vaporizers in particular. Alright, so on this YouTube channel, you will find a series on the Basics of Vapor where we will discuss how to choose the nicotine that's right for you, how to choose your flavor, as well as the device that is right for you. We have small devices, big devices, and the bigger devices usually produce more vapor, so everyone's preference is a little bit different. But we will also have tutorials on how to work on all these devices. We'll have tutorials on how to clean and how to service some broken devices. We will also have a series of miscellaneous videos for, government regulations on vapor and stuff like that as well, once we find out, of course. So the purpose of these videos is to help people. And if you have any suggestions on how we can better improve, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you have any suggestions on future videos and future topics, just let us know. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see more of these videos and have a good day. Thank you.